Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reveal text while the objects in a video are working. So here I've already imported a video with a person walking like this, and after that you can just write your text in the video. Click on add text, and now just write the text that you want. So I'm going to just write, for example, sunset, and here you can change the font and styles to your liking. I'm going to go with this. Then I'm going to adjust the size. Click on a check icon, adjust the length and also the position of the text. So I'm going to just make it the same with the entire video, and after this just export this project and open it in a new project. So in the new project, import two videos, the original one and also the one with the text. And for the video with the text, make it as overlay. Click on overlay like this, and now click on the overlay video. Find the part where the text and also the person is overlapping like this. Then go to mask and select the horizontal. Rotate it like this to 90 degrees and swipe or slide the masking to the right before the person is walking. Now add a keyframe and play and pause. Then slide the masking like this, following the movement of the person. So that it will create a reveal effect. Okay, after the whole word is revealed, click on a check icon, and here is the final result. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.